Okay guys, so today we are changing the cabin air filter, engine air filter and the gas tank cap, which was pretty expensive in the agency, but it's gonna hardly take us less than 5 minutes. First we're gonna open the tank lid. Okay, so this is the tether which attaches the cap to the door. It's pretty easy to remove this. You just have to like pull this out. That's it. And then remove the cap, and I'm just gonna open the newer cap, and you can see this is the tether and the cap which is attached to this. So just remove the cap, and the easiest way is just to place the tether on this little hole you can see and then push. That's it. I'm just gonna close it and you can hear the click. That's it. The next one is the engine air filter, and I ordered this original part by looking at the part number, as you can see on this, according to my make, year and model. I ordered this from official Toyota website. So I'm gonna open the hood. There is this box right there which has the engine air filter. So we have to open these clips one by one. So there are two places which you can fit this cap right there, and you have to open it and then take your filter out. So as you can see, the filter is pretty dirty at this point and it needs to be changed. So what am I gonna do is just open the newer one. So this is the newer filter. One thing that is important to keep in mind is this newer filter has one pointed edge that needs to go on the top left corner. And then place the lid into the clips, and that's it. And you have to close the clips back on, and there you go. That's how you change your engine air filter. So the next one is the cabin air filter, which is exactly the same part that goes into my Camry, 2014 Toyota Camry. I ordered this from official Toyota website, and we're gonna change this under 2 minutes hopefully. So there's a button right there, and we can open this box by clicking this flip. Simple. And then there's one more right there. They're on the both sides, so we have to press them together and then pull this out. There's this filter right there, which you can see is pretty dirty, and this is the filter which lets the air inside your AC compartment. And the only thing that needs to be taken care of is this upside. So we have to keep the filter in this way, and it goes in. Up arrow is on towards the upper side, and that's the right way to keep the cabin air filter inside. I'm gonna put the lid back up, and similarly the outer cover, place it back on, and the clip. And that's how you change your cabin air filter, engine air filter and the gas tank cap under 5 minutes.